Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be I think it's gonna be a quick one. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But anyway, living the life, eh? As always, casual dog's life. But anyway, yeah. Today's gonna be a quick one. I think we're gonna be gutting out the carpet on the blue Mini. So gonna see what that holds up for underneath in terms of rust. I'm just worried about that, and in terms of damage on the floor. But anyway, enough for that. Let's get to it. So this is the interior we have to deal with. Not great, honestly. Like, it's the stuff they use in houses. You can see the lining and no comment. I've got no idea what they were thinking, but I'm gonna have to also unbolt the seat belts. Yeah, seat belts over there, which isn't much of an issue. But yeah. It's going to be a pretty interesting job. I'm quite keen to start ripping and seeing what's underneath and the condition of the floor. Because technically this should be like a rust-free car, allegedly. But there's going to be some spots I can already see there, like where they jacked up the car incorrectly. But that's nothing a 4-pounder hammer can't do. So let's find out and start stripping. So I found myself seated in the Mini now, on the floor. Let's start with the inside seat belts. I'm going to just do that here because this is a 5/8. So we're going to get this one off. And then this side here is not a 5/8. It's a 19mm for some odd reason. But anyway, we're going to get this off, that off, and then we can start pulling. At this point, I think I think there's a bolt like down under the car. I'm gonna quickly go have a look and then come back and clarify. So after being under the car and realizing that there was another nut holding in the, so essentially it's like a failsafe. So there's a captive nut on the back, and then this is like a stopper from the seatbelt, obviously falling off. So then we quickly get this bolt out and then we can carry on. There we go, just like that. So I can bolt this guy back in while we strip it. So this is just like a captive safety nut, which is quite important on seatbelts, I imagine. Nice. Loose. So next thing is we can attack the floor now. We can actually start stripping. So I think all I'm going to do is put the GoPro down, put it on time lapse, and just start pulling away and see what happens. Wow. I'm an idiot. I literally have just pulled out the whole front carpet now and didn't even film it. I forgot to click record. Oh my soul. Anyway, there's some on the floor there and a whole bunch over there. I'm gonna carry on filming with this guy just pulling this out. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Anyway, let's carry on. And just like that, we have most of this carpet out. There we go. Now we can see all the plugs that are meant to be in the places they're meant to be. And look, some pennies. So the floor is out, and I'm really impressed at how straight this car is. Like, this is a 75, and there's honestly like no issues. Wow. there's two spots, and that's exactly where I think they are. So the one spot's there, where the guys have put this rubber, whatever you want to call this, but there's a bit of rust, and as you can see over there, the bit of rust there. But I mean, a bit of welding and some knocking back with a 4-pound hammer, and we should be good. Same problem in that corner there, but that's just from misusing the jack and chucking it on the floor, and obviously jacking from the floor and pushing the floorboards in. But besides that, this thing is super straight, and you can see its original color was white, so that is the idea. We are going to repaint it white, so that's the plan. But I'm so stoked on it, really stoked. And for today's episode, I think that's going to wrap it up. I just want to say again, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, keep those comments coming up, and as always, don't forget to carry on sending it. Catch you guys in the next one.